CalmDo Air Fryer Toaster Oven, featured with powerful ultra-hot air, to discharge up to 80% fat, in the cooking process, is a healthier way to cook delicious fried favorites, for large families and gatherings, from wings to fritters to fries to shrimp. 1800 watts strong power with 4+2 heating elements, quickly 360 degrees hot air circulation cooking around the food, with the built-in fan, evenly cooked, give you crispy, golden fried taste and texture on all sides, no oil required. 21 preset cooking functions, give you more cooking choices, including French fries, chicken wings, frozen food, steak, vegetables, root vegetables, toast, grill, pizza, cookies, and more. Durable 0.5mm stainless steel appearance, with non-stick internal cavity, super easy to clean up. LCD digital display screen, with knobs and buttons, easy to use and operate.